Alright, welcome back everybody. Sorry for the alarm. I want the door open while I do this. The video I originally had planned, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for, because I'm waiting on a part for the project. But I found another possible project. When I went to go take some recycling over to my local recycling center, I found a Sony Bravia someone had dumped there. For some reason, someone in our area has been dumping all their trash at the random recycling centers. I don't know why. It's kind of a dickhead move, so we'll take a look and we'll see if this works. It was probably there for a little bit and got rained on, so it's possible the LCD's damaged, if not some of the other parts. And then also, it is extremely dirty. So what I'm going to do is take a vacuum and kind of vacuum all that stuff out. I'm going to take the back panel off and clean it out also and see if there's any apparent damage on the inside. So that's on there a little worse than I thought. What I'm going to do is remove the back panel and go clean it in my bathtub. Alright, so there's a few screw points. One here, there's at least two on the top, one there, another one over there, and then two up here, and I think that should be it. Alright, now it's popped off. There you have, there's the internals for this unit. It doesn't really look water damaged on this side, not that I can see. I don't see any blown caps or anything. It's possible they got a bigger, really cheap TV at Walmart for 4K and they just got rid of this, so I'm going to dust it out a little bit, and I'm going to go put this in the tub to soak. I might not let it soak so much, but I'm going to try to avoid getting this part wet with the back sticker. It also looks kind of odd because they taped over the manufacturer date, so I don't know if this got serviced or what. Alright, so I did detach the I/O board, so I'm going to go and throw this in to get cleaned also, since it's pretty nasty and I don't need it to technically turn on the unit. This analog import board over here looks okay. I don't think I can easily snap off the plastic without removing it. And it doesn't look that grimy, so I'm probably just going to clean that by hand. This part I can probably clean by hand. And most other parts will be kind of nasty, but I can clean them by hand. Alright, so you might have asked me, why didn't I test to see if it turns on and looks normal to start with? But I really didn't feel like getting that grime all over my place, so we'll test it now. Alright, so good news is when I plugged it in, I definitely heard the power, so it's probably in standby mode. The bad news is that I didn't pay attention to which button does which. So we're just going to have to hope that I can guess right. Oh, it powered on. Everything looks normal. So let me prop this up. I'll grab something to kind of test it with. But I think I just got a free TV. Now I just want to flex with the fact that I'm using a Sony HDMI cable. But we're going to plug the PlayStation 3 into this and see if it works. Alright, so I just felt foolish because I forgot that Bravias all use the same remote frequency. So I can literally use this remote to do everything. And look at that! It looks like everything on this TV's fine. So the only thing that's really missing is the stand. It's a little grimy, but what I'm probably going to go ahead and do is end the video here and then do an extensive teardown video to follow up with this. So there you go. This model is KDL-23, which would be a 23-inch screen, S2010. Expect a follow-up video soon, and enjoy.
Alright. To celebrate getting way over 2,000 likes at this point. Starts taking me a while. I'll give you a little overview. There's the studio now. There's roommate stuff. Anyway, I finally picked up an HD Sony Trinitron. I'll read you off the model later, but I thought I'd show off this bad boy. Let's see. Alright, we'll start with the front. You might have also noticed I have the stand for it. Right now I have a PS3 Slim and a PS2 hooked up via